Hey everybody, so it is, I believe it's 10:20 right now. The phone rang at 10. We're here at the shop. I have balance bin, and we are loading up. We got two trailer tires in, the Jasper, Missouri, I believe where it's at tonight. Got a couple of pictures. It's pretty good kablooey, but I don't think we have to take any rims or anything tonight. But hopefully we can get out of here. Here's our two tires. Going to be low pro 22.5s. We'll get it loaded up. We never did unload from the, what do you call it? The service call earlier today when that RV blew out. But that's getting cleaned out. We'll make a spot here. We'll be out of here from my call to leaving in 30 minutes. Not bad for after hours. Well, here it is. What has it been? About 11:19 at night?
Yeah, 11:20.
11:19, 11:20. We got here. Well, the call came at 10. We were on scene in an hour and a half, and it was an hour drive to get here. So how could you be grumpy about that? Let me pause it. Get a handheld here. All right. Well, let's take a good look at this one here. Okay. Well, we have what you don't want. You don't want this. This is bad. Gonna have to figure that out. Probably, if I was to guess, we'll do a wiggle and jiggle maneuver. I don't know, probably, I don't know, pulley, turny. We'll do the pulley, turly, wiggle, jiggle maneuver, and we'll get that right. If you caught all that, you're doing really good tonight. But we got one blowout there, and that's a pretty dangerous potato there, Ben. We need to get the air out ASAP so that don't go kablooey in our face. That would be bad. But we got the railroad lights on. I got my side lights on. But this driver was extra courteous tonight. He parked me right in front of this. All that work that we did to put all those lights on so I could see, I've got more light than I've ever had before. Now, what would you all do? Real question. Right on the top, I've got those rotators, those blinky lights. We're a pretty quiet truck stop here. Roadhouse in Jasper, Missouri tonight. Would you run them for safety, or would you leave them off so drivers wouldn't have any blinky lights in the cab? What would you do? Bid says run them. Let me know in the comments. We're gonna get to work now. So we really, Ben, are you just you're taking a smoke break?
No, I just forgot to light it.
You forgot to, Ben. But that is what is it, Ingersoll Rand, yeah. 40 volt, extended anvil. Man, we really like it. It's quiet. I don't have to drag out that big air hose, and it takes off. It's probably taken off 99% of everything I've ever asked it to do. So there you go. Well, we are on the wrapping up side of things. Looks like we got two to throw away back here. We got two new ones on up here. Coming down. Ben Graham, you're killing me here, Smalls. Everybody say it with me. Take the damn sticker off for Puck. That's with a P's sake. My goodness. What do you think? Should I just get a big wall of those? Because that's kind of fun. Anyway, review of the lights. Absolutely, I'd want to say perfect, because anything be improved, but that was a big win to have that lit up here so much better. That didn't suck either, right. But anyway, we are ready to go. Well, we're back at the shop. It's kind of late, getting kind of tired. Mr. Graham, are you getting tired?
Yeah.
I think we're kind of shot. But the road call was, I thought, very successful. It was really nice. David, by the way, was the driver. I think he found my TikTok channel while we was there. And
cool dude.
Just a really nice driver to hang out with. I don't want to say that company, but it was a good company to work for, and I hope they call me again. But it's getting kind of late. I think, what's that saying? You never know when bed's going to be, but you always know work comes in the morning. That's 8 a.m. That's when I'll be back in the shop. Say good night.
Yeah, I won't be here today.
No, he won't. He'll be 9-9.
See ya.